This video will be a quick supplemental video about synthetic division. The videos in our textbook do a good job of covering synthetic division, but they leave out one special case and one very specific case that does show up in our homeworks. So I want to make sure that is covered in a video as well as in the text. And that is a case something like this. Let's divide f of x equals 3x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus 2x plus 6 by x minus 3. So we set up our synthetic division by taking c. This is x minus c, so for us c is 3. We take that. We draw our little symbol and put the coefficients here. And this is where things get a little bit tricky. We do have 3x to the fourth. We have negative 5x cubed. But we don't go to 2 next. We don't see the x powers in here, which means synthetic division assumes every power of x is showing up. If that's 3x to the fourth, that's negative 5x cubed, then we need x squared here. Since we don't see any x squareds, we need to put a 0. That's our coefficient. So we have 0x squared, 2x, and 6. Let's do this off to the side. If instead we had drawn it like this, this is telling me that I'm trying to take 3x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 6 and divide it by x minus 3. Notice the difference between these. And that is a big difference. If we miss that 0, we have changed the problem completely. Synthetic division assumes that we have every power of x. So we need to make sure any missing powers are given their placeholders here. And then we can do synthetic division like normal. This 3 just comes on down. 3 times 3 is 9. Negative 5 plus 9 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 0 plus 12 is 12. 3 times 12 is 36. 2 plus 36 is 38. And this is what I get for making up numbers. I now get to do 3 times 38. 3 times 38. 3 times 30 is 90. 3 times 8 is 24. 90 plus 24 is 114. Plus 6 is 120. So that gives us a polynomial here and a remainder here. And this polynomial would be 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 12x plus 38. And if we are to write this in that division algorithm form, we get that our original f of x is equal to 3x cubed. Oops, the original algorithm form that your book likes goes the other way. So let's do this the other way. Goes x minus 3 times 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 12x plus 38, close parentheses, plus 120. And that would be the result of this synthetic division. Thank you for watching.